Hello everyone and welcome back from our morning report analysis videos on Tuesday 23rd of January with me, Rich Brown, market analyst at Hantec. Looking at cable, which has hit 140 this morning, continues higher. Look at all those strong bull candles that produced the run higher. 100, what was that? Closed at 38.50 and closed yesterday at 39.85. 135 pips of upside in yesterday's session, and it's hit 140 today. Now you can see what this does mean in terms of history. Come back all the way to this sort of Brexit trading period here. 140 were these sort of series of lows throughout Q2 2016 prior to Brexit, and then that is interestingly now a high. I mean, it is obviously a round number resistance as well, but the market interestingly has sort of come back from that today, just dropped back about 50 pips actually. Now the market remains very strong momentum wise, and there's nothing really to suggest yet that this is the top in this phase. However, at some stage you're likely to see a correction. I mean, just looking at how the market has run through in recent months, you do tend to get these sort of bull rallies and then corrective phases. So we're in the midst of a bull rally now, with the market overbought on RSI, but strength primarily, really strength still in play. MACD lines still accelerating higher, so there's nothing really to suggest that the run higher has ended for now, but at some stage there will be a retracement move, probably back towards 36 sort of 50 area, which was this breakout of that old September high, 36 to 36.50 area, which would sort of again retrace within all these trends, these bull trends. But for now we're still positively configured on cable, just rolling over a touch, as you have done in the last sort of few days. You've had these sort of bull moves to the upside. In the middle of last week you saw a move from 39.40 that retraced back sort of 140 pips, so there is still room for a bit more of a move to retrace some of these gains, but still looks pretty positive, doesn't it? Just unwinding some of these momentum indicators on the hourly. 40 seems to be a bit of a level on the hourly RSI. MACD lines tend to come back towards neutral, so there is room for a bit of a slip near term. You can argue in terms of sort of support areas, there's a bit of a sort of a basis of support between sort of 38.80 to 39 figure, bit of a key low 38.35 being what's that, Friday's low before the rally took off yesterday. So few levels to work with there, but I mean there is still a little bit more room to sort of go with a potential correction which is sort of taking hold, but nothing yet to suggest this is the end of the bull run higher. So I wish you good luck in your training today, and I will speak to you later.